Say you just got a brand new car, or you're new to detailing, or you've never washed a car before. Today I'll be giving you guys a beginner's guide on what you should do, what you should get to start off your chemical guards arsenal. Kicking it off with number one, if you have access to running water, I recommend getting a bucket, a dirt trap, a wash mitt, and a soap. In this occasion, the soap that I'll be using today is going to be Mr. Pink. Now, Mr. Pink is one of our most basic car washing soap that we offer here. It's going to give a high gloss, high sudsing fun while you foam up your car, whether you use it a foam cannon, foam blaster, or even just with your bucket by itself. Now, I did touch base on having a bucket and a dirt trap. Now, what is a dirt trap? A dirt trap is all in its name. It's going to trap dirt while you wash. Now, whenever you start elevating your detailing game, we recommend having two different buckets and of course two different dirt traps. But in this occasion, if you're fairly new to detailing, start off with one bucket, then elevate your detailing game to a second bucket, and then like that you'll start doing the two bucket method, and of course you'll go so on for your wheel buckets. But today we're doing the beginner's guide. So the dirt trap is going to be sitting at the bottom of your bucket. So pre-fill your bucket of water already inside your bucket, and then you grab your dirt trap. Now your dirt trap is designed to be at the bottom of your bucket after I insert it, and it's going to be trapping all the dirt. So it actually has over 100 cyclonic cones on the back that every single time you start scrubbing your wash mitt or dirtiness from the surface of your car and you come back to your wash bucket, it's going to be filtering out while you wash. Now, we always recommend pre-filling your bucket. So like this, you have a permanent seal. You always want to insert it at an angle. If you do not insert it at an angle, this is what's gonna happen. It's gonna be floating. You don't want that. So always be sure to insert your dirt trap at an angle and push down on it. Like that, it causes a permanent seal, and as soon as you start washing, it will not be rising back up. Now, the choice of soap is going to be yours. In this occasion, I recommend start off with Mr. Pink. It's not too hard to use, it's very simple. All you want to do is add 1 to 2 ounces of soap inside your bucket, and then, of course, you're ready to go. Now, if you do live in an apartment and you don't have access to running water, what should you do? If your car is super filthy, we recommend using a rinseless car wash. Now, a rinseless car wash like rinse-free is going to allow you to still use a bucket of water, still going to allow you to use a dirt trap, but all you're gonna do is no longer rinse the surface of your car. You're simply just going to dry it after. On the other occasion, whenever you do use Mr. Pink, you will have to rinse off the residue and of course, dry it up after. So same exact step, use 1 to 2 ounces of soap or rinse-free inside your bucket, but you could also be pairing it using our wash mitt. So this wash mitt, it is a chenille wash mitt, and you guys can see how soft, how plush this is. I mean, you could also use it almost like a pillow, but the softer the wash mitt is, the more sensitive it's going to be on the surface of your car. So of course, whenever you start washing it, you'll put this wash mitt on, you'll come into your bucket, you'll sink it, you'll get some soap, go back to the surface of your car, and like that, it's very simple to use. Now, whenever you are washing the surface of your car, we always recommend starting top to bottom. Never go from bottom to top. Because what ends up happening is, at the bottom of the car, it's going to be super, super filthy, and then you're gonna be going to the top of the car, and then that dirt's gonna fall back to the bottom of the car, so you'll be working double. So always start off with the top of the vehicle, so like this, you remove all the filth and grime safely and easily as possible, and like that, you won't be how our team is doing. Currently, we're polishing out this Lexus behind us because the owner actually washed it improperly and now has tons of scratches and swirls on it. So pro tip, wash from top to bottom, not bottom to top. Moving on to the next product is going to be using Shine Logic. Now, Shine Logic is one of our newest tire shines, but it's very user friendly. It's actually a 20-ounce bottle of solution in here, and it's very, very well at the price. So it's only $7.99, 20-ounce bottle. This is going to add shine to your tires. You could simply just spray it on. It's a water-based dressing, dry to a touch, and then like that, you're ready to drive off, and like this, your tires look phenomenal. You simply spray it on, work it in, it's not rocket science. The other product I recommend for you guys to have is going to be Speed Wipe. So the team behind me, I have Alex, I have Brian, I have the social team behind us. They are working on this Lexus behind us, and Speed Wipe is going to be a product we're actually going to leave inside this car, because the owner, we don't want the shine level, the hard hours of work that we're doing on this car to go to waste. So Speed Wipe is going to be a great quick detail spray to have on hand to maintain the shine in between washes. So you don't have time, or maybe you do, but if you don't have time to wash your car once a week, twice a week, you can maintain the shine level using Speed Wipe. So this one's fairly simple to use. You spray directly onto the surface. You can use it all over the exterior of your car, whether it's headlights, glass, chrome, plastic, painted plastic, the list goes on. You can simply spray this onto the surface of your car and wipe it off. Now, Speed Wipe does not contain any wax whatsoever. So as a beginner, I always like to inform anybody that's getting into detailing, start off with just gloss enhancers. Don't go with wax. Because if you start going to wax, you might not have the proper applicators, you might not have a polisher. So start off with the easiest steps possible, and then like this, once you finally graduate from these products, elevate your detailing game even more to even a wax, to synthetic polymer, or even a ceramic. But remember, today is just all the basics. And last but not least, a product that's going to be a bonus product, because we were just talking about the exterior, I recommend also wiping down your interior. You can never go wrong with having a clean interior, because if you think about it, 100% of the time you're actually inside the car whenever you're driving it. So you're not on the outside. So might as well keep your interior looking clean, keep it looking fresh, keep it protected using Toto Interior. Now Toto Interior is a cleaner and protectant all in one. This product is super easy to use. Anybody could use it. I could use it. My little sister could use it. My brother could use it. You could use it. The guy behind the camera could use it. Anybody can use it. You simply spray it directly onto a towel and wipe the surface clean. That's all. It's not hard, it's not rocket science, and it's also going to protect your dashboard from cracking, your leather from discoloring, fingerprints from accumulating, and it's also going to help you with all that dust and debris. So pick this product up just to maintain your interior clean, and that's how fast and simple it is to maintain your car clean. So what are some key factors to look out for whenever you're washing a car? Step number one, do not wash in direct sunlight. If your car is steaming hot, wait till the afternoon to wash your car, or wash it in the morning so like this you don't cause water spots on your surface of your car. Two, if you can get your hands on a filter to filter your water, that'll be a big key factor for you guys. Other than that, Mr. Pink actually rinses residue free. So if you do have a little bit of soap left behind, Mr. Pink is actually going to rinse very cleanly. It's also pH balanced, so if you don't know if a protectant is on the surface of your car, if your car came with a factory protectant like a ceramic, this is actually going to just maintain it. It's not going to rejuvenate it because it's a basic car washing soap, but these are things to look out for. Don't let water sit on the surface of your car too long because you'll cause water spots. So if you do have an issue on the surface of your car and you don't know how to clean it, make sure to follow us on Instagram, send a picture there, Facebook, or call our customer service, and we will help you, assist you, find the proper solution for your car. Whether you have water spots, you have dirty interior, dirty exterior, dirty engine bay, we have everything here at Chemical Guys. And of course, if you would like to pick up these products today that I went over, the beginner's product, you can find everything in the links down below, or you could also find it at chemicalguys.com, or you could also find it at your local detail garage. As always, we will see you guys next time here at Chemical Guys.